addition to enhancing the tangy taste to various delicacies, there are various other ways lemons can be used. Today's video will discuss ways you are not using lemons. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Number 1. Cleanse and boost your system. A cup of warm lemon water first thing in the morning acts as the perfect body cleanser, specifically because lemon is a diuretic and flushes out toxins from the body. Not only that, lemons are also believed to boost your immune system. Number 2. Digestive aid. Lemon with water passes the liver to produce bile acid, which is required for digestion. Moreover, they aid in moving toxins from the digestive tract. Number 3. Mosquito repellent. Using it as a mosquito repellent, strange, isn't it? But it's an extremely simple process. You just need half a lemon, stuff it with sufficient amount of clove, and there you go. Now you are all set to drive away the nagging mosquitoes. Number 4. Home freshener. Lemons, if mixed with rosemary and vanilla, makes for a great way to freshen up your home. Number 5. Keeps apple fresh. Lemons, when added to cut apples and avocados, will keep it fresh such that it doesn't get brown. Number 6. Sanitize your cooking board. Use lemon to clean your chopping board to reduce the microbial count and make it ready and hygienic for the next batch of vegetables to be chopped. Number 7. Make them last long. When you get your next batch of lemons, don't forget to store them in a glass container filled with water. It will stay fresh for a longer period of time. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.